Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will do Python notepad automation. So as you can see, I've written the program right over here. I'll guide you step by step so that afterwards you can create this program by your own. So first of all, the step number one is to import the modules. First module is speech recognition module and the second module is pyttsx3, which is basically text to speech. Step number two is to initialize the text to speech module and set the properties of it, as it will convert our text into speech. So I have to initialize the voice. I have initialized to 0 is for male and 1 is for female voice. And then I have set the property of words per minute and I have set the rate to 245. Step number 3 is to create a speak function in which it would take the text as an input and it would just say that text. So step number 4 is to create take command function. In take command function we will use the speech recognition module as SR, and then we will call the module and we will use the recognizer functionality of it, and then we will also use the microphone functionality of it, as it would recognize our voice from the microphone. We will initialize the threshold of recognition to 1, and then we will use the try and accept. In try block we will make the module try to recognize our voice and print the recognized text as a query. And then in accept block, if by any chance the module is not able to recognize the voice, it would print unable to recognize the voice and none will be returned. Moving on to the last function, we will create a notepad function in which we will call first the speak function, and we will make the module speak this text, make your notes, and we will also print it. And then we will also call the take command function, and then we will name the text file in which we have to write our notes, and then the text which would be in the note file would be taken from the take command function, which is right over here. At last we will call the notepad function. So here is all the code. If we just run this,
I am ready to make your notes. Speak up your notes.
please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So as you can see, it has printed what we said, and if I go to the notes.txt, you can see that it's also being printed over here. So as we have written it in appending mode, so it would append the text if we just run this program again.
I am ready to make your notes. Speak up your notes.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. So as you can see, it has also said please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and don't forget, oh by mistake it has repeated twice, to turn notification bell to all. So yes, that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.